Okay, so we've learned how to create data today. We've learned how to display our data and have it make sense and read our data. Right now, you guys are going to be creating some data again using your gingerbread men. And what you're going to do is look at your gingerbread men right now, or gingerbread women, and you're going to decide, where do I want to take my first bite of gingerbread? Okay? Everybody's going to be taking their first bite of gingerbread right now. Okay? Look at yours. Decide where it's going to be. On the count of 3, you're going to lift up your gingerbread right now. On the count of 3, you're going to take a bite. Ready? Everybody ready? Get your gingerbread. Get your gingerbread in your hands. Ready? Some of you have never tasted gingerbread before. I know, this is exciting. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Just take one bite and put it back on your plate. One bite and back. Okay. Eyes on me, boys and girls. If you liked it, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. And if you're not, you're kind of okay. Okay, it looks like everybody likes it. Okay. Layla's kind of wavering. That's all right. Okay, now guess what? What you just did right now is create some data. Yeah. Right now, I want you to pull out that piece of paper that's under your plate carefully. Now it is your turn. We worked together on our data that we did earlier. This time, you are going to collect the data on your own. You are going to make your observations on your own. And what you're going to have to do this is kind of snake around the room and look at what everybody did for their first bite. Did their first bite, did they bite off the gingerbread person's head? Did they bite off an arm? Or did they bite off a leg? Or did they just go right for the body? Okay? So you are going to be using your paper here to help you put down the data that you're collecting. So you're gonna, in this first part right here, you're gonna put your data down, and you can just use tally marks. And then once you get all the data from all the kids in our classroom, you're going to use this chart and shade in just like we did right here, okay? Any questions about what we're gonna do? Layla? Okay. Remy?
Can we tally your own one?
You do your own one as well, yep. Nate?
I want to eat through the middle.
Well, that's the body. Okay, Ivan?
Is this the leg or the body?
That is the leg.
Mine is the
Okay, Nick?
I ate,
Oh, I'm sorry, somebody has a question and it might be your question.
I ate my whole entire gingerbread's head.
Okay, last question before we start. Mesmer? I don't know, I can't tell. Looks like the leg. That's what it looks like. Okay, this is gonna require you to get up and move and carefully collect data. Make sure that you snake around the room and get everybody's, okay? Let's get started, go. George, do you have a question? Yep, we're gonna enter it on there. Okay, make sure you put your piece down right away.